This house is about 20 years old and it was needing a new roof. And we decided to go with Interlock just because of how it would last and the warranty and also the ease of care. You don't have to worry about hailstorms. And it's also fireproof, which helps when you live in the bush. Hello, my name is Tim Stewart from the Noose Bay, Vancouver Island. Lived here for almost 5 years. Yeah. Well, we love the idea of an acreage, and you can see behind me, we also love the idea of a pool. So we enjoy the pool and we enjoy the scenery and the wildlife that comes here. Asphalt was on the roof before, and we're looking at stripping that off and the cost of that and disposal. So that's why we decided to go with Interlock. And I heard a lot of good things, did a lot of research on Interlock, and the reviews were good. Communication with the company was very good from the salesperson that came up to give us an initial quote. He was here for about an hour, and he used satellite imaging to determine the size of the house and give us a quote. And then from there, we were switched over to the installation team. The quote was shocking at first, but after reviewing it myself and looking at how long it lasts and also the cost of asphalt was surprising with the disposal and everything else of the asphalt. After that, then the installation team was excellent. The house, because of forest fire concerns and the dryness, we wanted to have something that was resistant to burning. That's why we decided to go with Interlock, because it's metal and it's also fireproof. It's very quiet. It's comparable to asphalt. I heard a lot of stories about you could hear if it was hailing or raining, and it's not that I'm deaf, I just can't hear it. We installed the snow guards above the hot tub, so we don't need to be sitting in the hot tub and get a surprise with a batch of snow, but it slides off easily, so it doesn't hang up there like it does on an asphalt roof. We just like the color. We just like the darker color and just like how it looked with the rest of the house. It had a little bit more texture to it than the asphalt, a little bit more contours and depth. We got a 50-year warranty. So you worry about your roof once and then that's it. That's why we decided to go with Interlock. Plus, it's also good resale value. You don't have to worry about peeling or rolling up. They're very robust. And plus, ease of care. It would help with the resale value because people don't have to worry about the roof. I believe the warranty is transferable, but I don't plan on selling. We haven't had any leaks, no concerns at all. And the installation team was excellent. The timeline was very quick. From start to finish, it was 3 months, and we were very happy. The supervisor was on site at all times, but the manager would actually show up from the mainland as well to show how they're doing. So it was meticulous. The whole area was clean. There was no metal shards anywhere, so that was very important considering we got 2 dogs. We had it on our house. The installation team was really good, and then we got a different installation team a year later for our shop, and they were both excellent. Didn't have any issues.